It's a little deep right here. It's moving. If there ain't a fish right here by this rock, I'm quitting. Is there just no fucking fish in this motherfucker, dude? Guys, it's pouring. Let me dry my GoPro off a little bit. I had a fish. I got a fish. I got a fish. I got a fish.
This fucking feels good. You got one.
What did I say? If there ain't a fucking fish in that rock, I'm quitting. I told you I'm quitting if there ain't a fish in that rock. There's a smallmouth. Smallmouth. I knew it. Look at that. That rock is just juicy over there, bro. I'm telling you. It's hard to record and have this bag on, though. I ain't gonna lie. It fucks with my camera. It don't go. Just make sure that's good. Is it deep on that edge?
Try that thing if we're off walking the trail. It's a lot easier walking on the ground than
I had a fish.
Huh?
I had a fish, I think. Oh, I did look.
You got a fish already? Yeah. What the?
Got a smallie.
Share the wealth, nigga. Share the wealth.
Got a smallie, guys. Ooh, he choked that chicken.
Choked him up.
Oh, he's warm too. Bro, these smallies are strong, dude.
He's warm-blooded.
They're fighters.
What do you got on here? This one?
Huh? They're fighters for sure. What the fuck? I feel like something's in my finger. Little smallie right there for you guys. It's a baby. Up in there, bro. Give me the poles.
Hey, no N-word.
I don't care. I cut it out.
Edit.
I gotta hit the edit. Give me that bad boy.
I don't want to go too far because then if we're gonna go down there, I'd rather walk the trail and walk.
Guys, I got a lot of shit on me. A 20-pound bag, a bigger pole, a small pole, a fanny pack, and a GoPro, and my phone, and a portable battery for my fucking GoPro. So I don't know. What are we thinking?
I think we just need to get back up and let's sit down there. Let's see how that is up there. Just a little more walk. Take another 10 minutes or something. 5 minutes. Huh? Yeah. Probably take about 5 or 7 minutes to make it up there. But at least we can get a good look at it and see.
Uh-oh. I need help.
What?
I can't fucking carry all this and record. It's just too hard.
Want me to tie this down?
No, I'm gonna hold that one in my hand.
No, I'm saying you want me to...
No, I'm gonna use it.
Oh.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, you ready, buddy?
My GoPro angle is all fucked up. God,
He said over there, he did say it, he said there's some big fish in here. You know what? That water runs here, they might like something in.
normally they crowd up under the dams. He's not lying. They normally crowd up under the dams.
Terrible. I feel like they're not mine. The other ones, at least I walk with mass territory. If it makes you happy. No, we're really bad territory.
Alright, I'm gonna turn off the camera for now, so it don't get soaking wet. For sure. I'm gonna throw the small one for a second. If I don't catch nothing, I'm throwing the Helgermite. Wow. Wow. I got one. I got one. It's a bigger one. Oh my God, he came off. No. Ah. Got one.
Got it! Possibly killed him!
Got a bigger one, guys.
Get over here, dude!
Got a bigger one. Big one.
Woo!
I'm on a 4-pound line and ultralight, guys.
Oh, it's big, Pete. He's huge.
No! Fuck, guys, again.
Jesus.
I'm switching off of this. My hook ain't doing it. Going to the big one.
Huh?
Going to this one. Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, he's got a good spot over here. I was fucking
Doug's got a good spot too over there. All right, guys, this is more for a smallie right here.
Yo, this is nice.
I got one.
He's got him again, Pete. Again.
Oh, no, snag, bro.
Oh.
I got it out. Yes. I had one. Fuck, dude, I keep missing them.
Yeah.
Don't try to. Just cast up in there and reel it back. I need to get braid on these rods, guys. I got one. A rack bass. This right here, guys. A nice little rock bass. I'm using a black Great Lakes Helgermite and a ball head jig. The wind, the rain, and the dam, the audio might not be too good, so I could apologize for that. Got one. No, bro! That's what the fuck? fish. Got one! Another baby smallie, guys. Oh, I feel like I had one right there. Maybe the water's just moving too fast. Nigga, it's getting dark out. Yeah. No, we're gonna walk back this way. I'm just going over to make a couple casts. All right. Yo. I got a big ass fish. Yeah, a big one. A big fish, bro. Oh my God. Get over here, Tyler, help me land it. It's big. Yeah, a big one. Help me. No, no. Yes. Bro, that was a big one. That's a bad thing to say to somebody after they lose a fish. Still annoyed. Fuck, bro, I'm pissed. I got one. Not as big though. I ain't playing with him. I don't give a fuck. I'm straight railing his ass to the shore. I straight railed his ass to the shore, Ty. I wasn't playing with him. I horsed him.
I don't know what Jeremy was going. He was fucking bringing it.
This is the biggest one all day. Oh, sit.
No! I had a big ass.
Gonna set the hook, Ty.
No!
Pussy, you like that?
He started taking drag. You gotta get that little tighter just open. And let him.
Oh, fuck. You heard that? Oh, some fireworks. I thought it was some gunshots for a second. I thought it was a shotty. Really? Fuck, of course it's dark out right now. The water is moving a little faster over here, so. My lure's just going right to the shore over here. Got one. A bigger one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Got a bigger smallmouth here. Got a bigger smallmouth here, guys. Come on, brother. My guy. Yeah. I caught this one. Ty's got one too. Doubled up, baby. Come on. Get this one in. Get this one in. I'm gonna stay over here. If he's coming my way, I'll get him.
See him.
He's right here in front of me. I see him. He's right there, guys. You see him? He's right here, guys.
Oh, he's pulling hard.
I see him. I'm getting him live action. I'm about to snag his ass. He's right here on me. He's right here on me. I see him.
Oh, he's pulling, bro.
I see him right here.
Oh, it's big.
Doubled up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Went in deep and like grabbed by his head.
But we both gotta get some pictures with him. Bill, you gotta get a picture of both of us.
Hell yeah.
All right.
Throwing him back in. Get a little double release. Come on.
Let's see how fast they take off.
Look at him. He's right here between my feet.
Go.
He's at the bottom. You guys get the top. These smallies are tough though, I ain't gonna lie. They for sure do, because when I'm at Hoyt, I'm catching bigger fish than this. I just had another one. You had one? Snag? Got a fat ass rock in my foot right now, guys. Do you have a fish? I got a fish! A big one! It's a medium one, actually, guys. No, I lost him. Fuck! He came off right on shore, so I tried to grab him. Fuck, guys, I missed. Yeah, I had him on shore, but he came off. Oh, dude, I can't wait to take... I've been taking cold showers.
Whoa!
I've been taking cold showers, but man, I'm gonna take a nice hot one today. Cause I'm fucking cold.
Oh, you seen that?
Was he chasing it?
No, he hit it, but it came off. I'm telling you, brother, Rooster Tail is made for these.
So is this though, I think, honestly.
What is it?
That little Helgrim, I think.
Oh yeah, you need to get some more of those.
I have a bunch of them. I just don't have the heads. Tyler, I bought 6 heads. And they're gone. I got a fish. Dad, you want it? Come here.
No, go ahead.
You got to get your skunk off. Oh my God, he's a jumper.
They're jumping. They don't want you guys to go home.
Are you sure you don't want it, Dad?
I'm gonna come back here. I'm working at camp next time.
Oh, he's a big one. He's bigger than the first one I caught.
No, he ain't.
Yes, he is. No, he's not.
I seen him jumping.
Can you grab him for me?
It's a large
Boys, go.
No, it's not. Look at the color on it.
He's a big fuck.
Oh, he is big.
He's fat.
He's a monster. The GoPro master's got him. There he goes. He loves it. Look at him.
I need a flick, maybe.
That's how he gets off.
All right, guys. Here's another one.
Dang.
Another one right here.
How the GoPro master gets on right.